Hi there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to set up your chatbot on your Kick platform. First things first, I want you to open your browser of your choice and look for this URL. It's called botrix.live. Make sure this is the platform that you're gonna see. And from here, I want you to click on any logins that you want. Take note that we're using Kick, and don't be scared using your Twitch, YouTube, or Discord. We're just using them to log in, okay? Now I'm using Twitch on my own here. Give it a second to load. And since we're using Kick, we're linking Kick and Chatbot. Click on sign in with Kick, and then just click on your Kick username. Give it a moment to load, and then click on continue. It will direct you to this platform, and then go back here on the third tab. Make sure that you're adding Botrix Live. Okay, make sure you need to look for the one that has a check light. It's this one. And then from here, just click on add. This is the moderator. From here, I want you to go back here, and then just copy this. Copy it. Just make sure it's on a clipboard, and then click on finish. It will direct you to a different platform. From here, just click on save settings. That's the default settings. And then once you're on your Botrix platform, go on Chatbot. And as you can see here, it has different commands that you can set up. This should be your chatbot already. Your account has already been linked. As you can see here, it's gonna be linked already. So how does it work? It has different moderation, caps, link, emoticon. Just make sure they're all enabled so that your chat has different options that you can send to you. And then going from Yam, this has a payment. Of course, if you have an extra money lying around, just use this. But since I'm not gonna use this, I'm not gonna buy it. And commands, as you can see here, there are different commands. Let me show you a sample. Click on add, click on command. I'm just gonna click on Kick, and then since this is a Kick platform, I'm just gonna uncheck the others. And there you go. Just click on confirm. Perfect. That's I have already a command set up. Now for timers, you can just add any timers you want, and of course modules, chat alerts, voice messages. You can click this one, but it's a default off because you don't want someone speaking while you're gaming. Anyway, that's how you set up your Botrix chatbot on your Kick. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.